What's up, everybody? This is Angela Yvonne, and we are at the beginning of Veganuary. And I thought that it would be amazing if I start with the basics because veganism can be a little scary. So I wanted to show you my top 6 seasonings. And of course, if you are a chef or you someone who knows their way around the kitchen, this might be a little elementary to you. But for me, as a beginning vegan and as a beginning self-taught chef, these are the things that gets me through every meal, and I have yet to hear any complaints. So if you're interested on my top 6 seasonings, keep watching. My number 1 seasoning of choice is nutritional yeast. Now, I can guarantee that in any vegan household, you will find this in the cupboard because it has so many multiple uses. You can put it in salads. This is the key component to making the most bomb vegan cheeses. Your sauces, I like to sprinkle it on avocado toast, and my go-to snack of all time is sprinkling it on popcorn. It has a nutty flavor, and you add hot sauce, salt and pepper, chef's kiss. You'll thank me later. My second favorite go-to ingredient is coconut aminos. Now, they also have liquid aminos, which is the soy version of it. And you know, we all go back and forth on if we're going to decide to use soy sauce or soy or anything. So I just keep it cute. And I get the coconut aminos. It is a little sweet, but it is a phenomenal component to making your at-home dressings. I love putting it on my stir fries, and I also put it in my quinoa in the water before it gets to boiling. And I'm telling you, this will make you change your mind about soy sauce and other sauces that you may add to your stir fries and other dishes. I'm telling you. You won't go wrong. And it's vegan. It's low in sodium. Yeah, this is my favorite brand as well. It has no artificial preservatives, no MSG, no dairy, no alcohol, no soy, and it's not fermented. Add it to your arsenal and thank me later. Okay, Himalayan pink salt. Hear me out. I got turned on to the pink when I first began my vegan journey. I had heard about all of the health benefits, and I also learned about table salt. Table salt has iodine in it, which has been causes to several types of diseases. This has 84 minerals that are good for your body, and I love the way that it looks. And another thing is that Himalayan pink salt is to me, I love grinders. I have been obsessed with grinders ever since I have always gone to Italian restaurants, and I love being able to grind the health onto my food. It's not a distinct taste to it. Of course, it is a little salty because, you know, it's salt. But I love the way that it looks. I love the way that it tastes, and it just adds a little bougie element to my food. Try it. You might like it. And if you don't try it for anything else, try it for the health benefits. I can promise you that no one loves pepper more than I do. I put it on everything. And this peppercorn is considered the king of spices. It has antioxidants in it, and it also helps with absorption. I fell in love with this when I was at an Italian restaurant, and the waiter came out and he had this huge pepper mill, and he was just, you know, just say when, just say when, just say when. And of course I said when, but then I fell in love with the grinder. So with this, I found these, you can find a plethora of different types of grinders, but here is a tip. Go to your TJ Maxx, goes to your Marshalls. They have all types of pepper mills and also pepper fillers and things of that nature for half the price. So that's a huge tip. If you're looking for places to get your seasonings and you're not really ready to, you know, spend an arm and a leg, especially with the gourmet seasonings, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Burlington Coat Factory, is the place to go. They have gourmet seasonings. Then you will be able to try out seasonings that you might not normally would have tried because of the price. But yeah, I got this along with the Himalayan pink salt as a set. And the set together, I think it was like $12. But the good thing about it, these are refillable. So that goes along with the vegan lifestyle because, you know, we are all trying to find our way on this planet. And whenever you get into recycling and repurposing, you know, that's doing your part. So if you're not ready to cross over to the meat side, doing your part is recycling and sustainability. And you have to try peppercorn on your, once you try peppercorn and the grinder, you won't go back to regular pepper. I promise. Onion is one of the most healthiest vegetables. It helps with colds, coughs. If you go back in time, used in different types of remedies. But onion powder is in my arsenal because sometimes you don't have a fresh onion. This gives you the same boost. And if you don't use onion powder, are you really even seasoning your food? Last but not least is garlic powder. Now, I don't know about you, but garlic just makes the other seasonings come more alive. It contains vitamins B, C, iron, and calcium, and it aids with digestion. So, you know, just put a little, don't put a lot, because, you know, garlic can be an overpowering ingredient. But yeah, those were my 6 ingredients that I cannot live without. And I put that shit on everything. If you have other ingredients that I should, you know, add to my arsenal because I am a beginning vegan in the kitchen, let me know below and we'll see you soon.